Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Filter Hepa / carbon Pk Asm for Star Mfg Part N1-WL0171. The Filter Hepa / carbon Pk Asm for Star Mfg Part N1-WL0171 is a combination filter assembly that includes both a HEPA filter and a carbon filter. The HEPA filter is designed to capture particles down to 0.3 microns in size, while the carbon filter helps to reduce odors and other airborne contaminants. This combination of filters provides superior air filtration for improved indoor air quality. The assembly is designed for use with Star Mfg Part N1-WL0171, which is a commercial-grade air purifier. This combination of filters helps to ensure that the air This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement filter assembly for a Star manufacturing N1-WL0171 commercial fryer. It includes a HEPA filter and a carbon filter, which are designed to reduce odors and smoke from the fryer. The filters also help to reduce airborne grease particles, helping to keep the kitchen environment cleaner and healthier. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by unplugging the appliance from the power source. 2. Remove the old filter and discard it. 3. Take the new filter and insert it into the filter housing, making sure that it is properly seated and secured in place. 4. Reconnect the appliance to the power source and turn it on to test that the new filter is working properly. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.